Hello, my name is Pablo, Director of Artistry for Illamasqua. I'm going to show you how to minimize dark circles under the eyes. Tap small layers of androgen cream pigment to areas that appear dark with fingertips. The warmth of this shade will conceal any blue or purple tones under the eyes. Lipsticks can be great to correct under the eye darkness, but their hydrating properties can move under the eyes during wear. Do foundation as usual and blend it around the eye area without placing it over the pigment. When choosing a concealer, it might be slightly deeper to match the pigmentation of the under eye tones. Pat concealer over the cream pigment in very fine layers to achieve the desired coverage. You should not see a difference in the under eye area and the color of your foundation when blending these elements together. Using a matching pressed powder, dust a fine veil over the look to unify and lock layers into place. A final tip: use color on lips and cheeks to balance tones on the face and a bit of mascara to draw away attention from unwanted under eye tones. These are a few quick and easy steps you can do to brighten your eye makeup.